Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Izin mem, izin memperkenalkan diri. Nama Afito Rizky Ramadan, NRP 203005, Prodi Studi Nautika. I will present my presentation about describing on visitor board. Picture 1. Send a little boy with blonde hair, white skin, dressed in white with blue stripes, and wearing an orange left face that seemed very happy to be on a ship. Apparently, he was on vacation with his family, seeing his mother in the back with brown hair, glasses, and a blue shirt wedging hair. It can be seen from the expression of the children and his mother. They are very happy to go on vacation to the sea on a ship. Not many children like that age because most of the young children are often now nauseous because of seasickness or sickness. But this child look very happy and enjoying it. It appears from the photo that this child is sent with a big smile that he is very happy to be on the boat. His mother looks happy like the photo. Seen watching Nelson, who looks very happy, the mother, is watching behind, close, close to the hem of the boat, who watched Nelson sitting with a big smile in front of her. Vacation in she is very fun, especially using a boat with family. Happiness will be happiness that will not be forgotten as the child is very happy with his smile indicating that he is very happy on his vacation. Next, picture 2. There are six children who seem happy to jump. The boy in the front who jumped higher than the others was wearing a blue top and orange sock. He is dark skinned and has curly hair. He has brown red that he seems very generous and friendly. He has lots of friends and can adapt easily. The girl beside him was wearing a wet one piece swimsuit. She looks style and she has beautiful black hair. She is naughty, funny, and likes to joke. The girl wearing a pink top was also very tall. She is pretty and has a sharp nose. She has long legs and nice black hair. She is honest, kind, and also a polite girl. She is always generous to others, especially to the kids. The girl behind the pink girl was wearing a one-piece swimsuit. She has an eye smile and net eyebrows. She has beautiful skin and hair. She is nice and also a shy girl. Next is a girl who had curly hair waving in the air. She is beautiful, careful, and sensitive too. She is a friendly, sportive, and working girl. She is humble and outgoing person. The last person is a boy who wears a yellow top and wears glasses on his head. He is handsome and attractive boy. He also chubby but muscular boy. He's a sociable and stylish kid. He likes to play but sometimes a grumpy person. Next, picture 3. The woman in the front is wearing a blue cloth. She is pretty, she has beautiful brown hair. She has a beautiful exotic skin color. She also has a nice ears and tail. She also little fat and has a medium height. She has bright eyes and nice nose. She is very kind, friendly, sociable, warm, and generous person. Because of that, she has many friends and is liked by many people as well. The woman beside her was her friend. She wore a drab blue long sleeve shirt. She is beautiful. She had long, shiny black hair that was tied up neatly. She also has bags that thickly cover her forehead. She has good skin. She also has a beautiful smell and a wet mouth. She's good at braids. She has beautiful hands and nails. She also likes to wear a watch on her left hand. She is tall and has long legs and arms. She is also an attractive woman. She is slim and elegant. She is a supportive, polite, funny, and careful. Therefore, she is also liked by many people. She is an hands person and good at managing time because of that she became a wood worker. That person in front of them was another visitor. In the right from corner there are a woman wearing sunglasses. She wearing a blue striped shirt. She is a kind and friendly mother. She is also good at talking. Beside there was a woman wearing a white shirt with black hair tied up. She seemed to be chatting with a woman who has wearing glasses. She is humble and very generous mother to her kids. Beside beside her there was a mother holding her son on her lap. She seemed to be looking ahead. She is quiet and friendly. She is also afraid to go on a boat because she is not very good at swimming. Meanwhile, the man standing wearing a blue suit is a captain. He controls the ship. He is generous, hands, sociable, friendly, and likes to help. He is also a working, a tireless person and doesn't give up easily. Next, picture 4. The woman in the left taller than her friend. She wore a blue dress with white jeans and with sandals, while her friends wore black dress and same jeans with her. Behind the woman, there are two men. One of them wore blue t-shirt and black white shoes, and the other wore brown hat and white shirt with grey as jeans. And behind four of them, there are grey old men. The man was wear black and blue pants. The woman was with the blue t-shirt and carry red bag with navy pants. And the woman was wear green t-shirt with orange shoes and the last two they wear grey as pants and carry the black bag with camera in his left hand. It appears from this photo that they are on vacation, and it seems that the man behind the old woman who may be the husband of the old woman is smiling, indicating that he is happy to have vacation to see the sea. They are vacation together. Maybe they are enjoying while walking along the side of the big sea. Picture 5. This couple just married last week and now they have their honeymoon in the yard. The woman matches the wears clean jeans like her husband matched the jeans. The boat with the purple sunglasses. The woman wore the black and the man wore orange star ones. They both look so happy. The honeymoon couple is indeed said to have planned their honeymoon on a boat and sailing on the sea. They seem very happy, enjoying the sea air and the sun shining on them in the boat while drinking together. Seemed like the world belonged to the two of them. Maybe that day was the most special for the couple because they could have a delicious honeymoon on the ship, enjoying a calm atmosphere. The two of them, and it seemed a very special moment for them. Next, picture 6. The left, the left grill one, the well dressed which looked good on her. The boy next to her wore green t-shirt with brown pants. The center grill wore long navy dress with the vertical accents. Next, the navy grill, he wore blue shirt with well with white pants and black wedge. The right one grill wore with long dress like the left. The five of them are friends who are vacationing at sea on a ship. Looks from the photo, they are very happy by waving their hands at someone. I think they I think they are dating on the boat with their respective friends. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.